Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a gadget that could change the way you interact with your garage, the Meross Smart Garage Door Opener. We found this innovative product online, and we've included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Meross Smart Garage Door Opener? This device is designed to add smart control to your existing garage door opener without the need to replace it. Whether you're renting, a homeowner, or just someone looking for an easier way to manage your garage door, this remote offers a convenient solution without a costly installation process. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make this product worth considering. First and foremost, the Meross Smart Garage Door Opener is incredibly versatile. It works with over 200 brands and 1,600 models of garage door openers, including popular protocols like Security Plus 1.0 and 2.0, although it does not support Security Plus 3.0. This means you can likely use it with your current system, making it an excellent choice for those who want smart functionality without the hassle of buying a new unit. If your garage door opener requires an adapter, Meross even offers to send one to you at no additional cost. One of the key features is remote control access via the Meross app. This allows you to open or close your garage door from anywhere, as long as you have internet access. Imagine being in the middle of cooking dinner and your family arrives home. You can let them in without having to run to the garage. This feature is perfect for busy parents, frequent travelers, or anyone who values convenience. And if you're someone who likes to multitask, you'll love the voice control feature. The Meross Smart Garage Door Opener is compatible with major voice assistants including Apple HomeKit, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings. This means you can simply say, "Hey Siri, close the garage," while your hands are full with groceries, tools, or kids. It's a seamless integration into your smart home ecosystem, making everyday tasks just a bit easier. Another major selling point is the wired sensor. Unlike many smart openers that rely on Wi-Fi signals, this wired sensor provides real-time and accurate status updates with no lag. You can easily check the open/close history right in the app. Plus, you have the option to set the door to close automatically after a certain period or schedule specific closing times. No more worrying about whether you left the garage door open. The Meross Smart Garage Door Opener has you covered. Installation is another area where this product shines. It's designed to be easy and beginner-friendly, meaning you won't need to hire a professional to get it up and running. Plus, your existing wall button and remote controls will still function as usual, so you won't lose any of the features you currently enjoy. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who values convenience, has a busy lifestyle, or simply wants to upgrade to a smarter home without breaking the bank, the Meross Smart Garage Door Opener could be a great fit. It's especially handy for families, those who travel frequently, or even people who have service providers coming to their homes regularly. In terms of practical use cases, think about letting in a delivery person while you're at work, giving access to a family member when you're away, or simply checking on your garage door status while you're out and about. It's all about making your life easier and more efficient. In conclusion, the Meross Smart Garage Door Opener remote provides a fantastic way to modernize your garage door experience. With its easy installation, voice control functionality, and compatibility with various smart home systems, it's a smart investment for anyone looking to enhance their home automation. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.